lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, it's Lushawn. If you just found my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Just want to get in really quickly and show you a few details on my Christmas decor. So this is the entryway coming into the door, and on the sofa table, basically, I just put this garland that I decorated with a few ornaments. Most of my decor is Dollar Tree, DIY. There are a few things that I did like buy, but you know, like from a store that was already done. But for the most part, this is it. This is lit, and I'll plug it up to show you. Over here is my tree, and my tree mostly is, like I said, Dollar Tree DIYs. At the top, those picks I got from Dollar Tree, the ones in the middle, and then the beads on the outside I got from At Home, but they were really cheap, like $1.19 or something like that. A lot of my items I did get after Christmas, like certain ornaments I got At Home, like these, this one, but the ones like these big ones I got from Dollar Tree for $1. Everything decorated in my Christmas video today, everything that I have, I've had for now 3 years when I transitioned to this color. So right now for this Christmas I haven't purchased anything, but yeah, so like the ribbon, all of this I got like after Christmas, like super duper cheap, like a roll for like 50 cents or something. So I just kind of build, you know, have been building on the tree. But like more of my like mirrored ornaments I got from At Home. The flower picks I got from Dollar Tree. So yeah, so that is my tree. And then my tree skirt, I actually got, I don't know if y'all remember Kmart. It's out of business here, but I got, that was another after Christmas deal from Kmart. So I don't have the tree lit right now, but that is the tree. So moving over here to the fireplace, I guess I could turn the fireplace on. So the fireplace decor, the middle piece I actually got, it was 75% off. I got it from Michael's 2 years ago, but I frou-froued it up. So these little jingle jangles are from Dollar Tree, along with these ornaments here that I put on these candles. The candles are from At Home, and the two side decor pieces are from Dollar General. So yeah, not super expensive at all. Next is my dinette table, and everything over here is like made or bought from the Dollar Tree except for my linen napkins and the napkin holders. But I made this centerpiece. This is from Dollar General, I think. And then everything else, this lights up, but I need to put batteries in it. But all of the ornaments, the ribbon, the garland, all of that stuff is from Dollar Tree. The piece, the styrofoam that it is sitting on, I got from a box from shipping. I had received a package and it was in there, and I was like, I'm just going to use it. I did make the coasters, the mirror coasters. Those are Dollar Tree as well. The glasses are Dollar Tree. The plates are Dollar Tree. The charger is Dollar Tree. I just fruited it up with a little embellishment. But yeah, that is my total decor for the dining room table. The only thing I'm still missing in here are my candles, and that is because I am going to the candle day for Bath and Body Works, so I'm just waiting on that. So that's all I really have to do is add candles. Okay, and on the table, the coffee table here, this blinged out Christmas tree is from At Home, and again, I got that super cheap, maybe like $4 or $5 after Christmas. So if you want to like build your Christmas decor, just if you're patient, you can build it, you know, over a few years if you shop like after Christmas or if you make things. So this has been a work in progress, but I really do like it. Oh, I forgot to say, on the sofa table, this is this piece I got from, I want to say At Home, but again, it was super cheap on clearance. And the bulbs inside are Dollar Tree bulbs, and these little thingamajiggies I think I got from At Home. Again, they were on sale for a couple of bucks or whatever, for 2 packs. So it's just 2 packs of those. So let's go ahead and take a walk over to the foyer, or my rotunda, I call it here. This is this area here. I did it kind of in a rose goldish kind of metal because of the bar, but these little star trees, I've had those for a couple of years, and I actually got those from Pier 1 Imports on sale after Christmas, along with the sleigh. And I just filled the sleigh with these garland balls, or whatever you want to call them, beads, I got from Michael's after Christmas, along with these picks. So it was super duper not expensive. And then I have these lit balls. I just need to put batteries in there, but when I turn it on, it's all glowy with the balls. But yeah, so that is my little area here in my little mini rotunda. And I forgot to show you guys, let me go back to the dinette table, but I also got these these linen napkins, and the napkin rings are from Pier 1. And again, I got those during an after Christmas sale. So let's go take a look in my kitchen area. I still need to, I haven't put anything up in my kitchen area just yet. All I really do is y'all put like dish towels, you know, the kitchen towels. I'll just hang those on the stove or whatever, or the dishwasher, and then I'll put a candle over in that area. Again, I'm waiting for a candle, but I don't do a whole lot in the kitchen. On my bar area, now in here I do a little bit more whimsical. I bring color in here, But this little tree I've had for a while. I got that tree from Old Time Pottery for like $5 or whatever, and then I just decorated it, and it has all of the, you know, the handmade ornaments from, you all with kids, or if you have kids, you know, they make them at school. So I put all the handmade ornaments from years and years and years on there. Totally embarrass people with those. But yeah, so these little doodads, the snowman and the reindeer, I actually got those from Dollar General. They were like $5. And then excuse me, and then the gifts are those are fake. I just got some boxes and did them up. At the top of the tree are more picks. I got those from at home. So yeah, that's all I got going on there. All right, so this is the elf on the shelf. Nothing super spectacular about those. And then a photo of my little one, which I embarrassed him because that's when he was a baby and he hates when I put that out. But yeah, so that is it for my decor. I think on the stairs I will be putting more garland on there. I had garland before, however it was ratty looking, so I took it down. So I'm going to get some more garland and wrap it with lights, and that way I can plug it in, because there's a plug here that I can do that. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So you could see the decor for the year. I was asked to do it, so just trying to make sure I kept my word. So yeah, so if you've lasted this long in this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, comment, and share. And until my next video, hugs and love, and I'm wishing you a happy holiday. Bye.